Okay, so almost everything's out. I'm going to move my bed to back here across the back like it was before. And I wanted to show you what I use for a mattress. That is the 4-inch mattress topper, memory foam mattress topper from Walmart. And I ripped it down the middle. So I sleep on 8 inches of memory foam, and it's very comfortable. Okay, these are going to be my pantry, and what I'm going to do with them is stack them on top of each other like this. And I bought these at Menards, and I'm going to use these to screw them together. And then take the top 2 of each of these off to use as a, and these will be shelves, and things can't fall out because of the fronts of the shelves. Probably wouldn't hurt to use glue too, but I don't have any, so I can't believe all this stuff I forgot to get while I was there yesterday. And it's a 45-minute drive to get anywhere. Oh my gosh. I need a third hand. So I can't find my hammer. It's somewhere in all this stuff. So I asked my cousin where her hammer is. She told me where it was. This is a little baby hammer. Who doesn't have a hammer? Just kidding, Janet. Lesson learned, don't wait until they are already together to take out the top 2 pieces. Okay. Okay, see? This, and I will keep stacking them. I bought 5. And I'll probably get more for another area, but for now, okay, I'm going to do the rest of them in the van, so it'll be easier to, I don't have to transport it when I'm done. Okay. This, I gotta go get a seat, a stool or something. This is killing my back. Okay. Since the wall of the van is curved, it can't fit flat against the wall. So the bottom will be out. Right now, I guess I don't have to worry about that until I secure it. Okay, where are my things? Sure wish these were magnetic, or the that's why. Always get magnetic screwdriver heads. Hey everybody, I wanted to thank my latest Patreons, Brad Rock, Tina D, Joel Paris, Michael Ingenito, Brian Gasser, Virginia Parker, Tom Bremer, Patricia Hernandez, Joanne Luce, Jersey Shore Gardener, Tina Lashy. Thank you. I appreciate it. Have a great day.